E36. So in today's video, we are going to be installing the new exhaust or getting that welded in today's video. So hopefully I'll stay tuned for that and it should sound nice. So we're going to go head over to the muffler shop, which is going to weld the exhaust, and pretty much they're going to build me a catback from where Top Speed built my midsection. They're going to cut the Y pipe and continue the straight single 3-inch all the way back to a vibrant muffler. And it is a 3-inch, so everything's going to be all equal length instead of that. The active AutoWorks exhaust, it had to run 2-inch piping that was kind of running or ruining the airflow of the exhaust, and I wasn't getting enough big flames like I wanted to, and it was just way too quiet. So hopefully with the new exhaust setup, it should sound more deeper and open since it's all going to be equal length to the vibrant muffler, and it should look nicer, sound nicer, and hopefully shoot some bigger flames. And I'm trying to get as many clips as I can to post in this video. And once we head over there, I'm going to be filming like the process of them putting it on, and then have him probably talk about what he's going to be doing and how he's going to weld everything. And that's if they want to be on camera. If not, but it's whatever. So I'm just going to film the process when we get there, and then throw some sound clips, and then probably get some night footage of it shooting flames. And yeah, so other than that, I'll catch you guys at the muffler shop, and then we'll begin from there. Peace. So we just got to the muffler shop, as you can see right behind me. And I didn't know, but he does know me on Instagram, so which is cool. So I'm gonna film some dope videos of them welding it up, and just some, yeah, so gonna stay tuned for that. And then I'll have him introduce himself to you guys and talk about the muffler shop. So if you guys are interested in wanting an exhaust welded or anything like that, y'all can be sure to come down here and they'll take care of you, stuff like that. And they also have this nice little Z right here. They just did an exhaust on it. So yeah, right now they're just pulling it up and then lifting it up, and we're gonna see what they're gonna do. And that's the muffler right there that they're gonna be putting on. It is loud, so I mean you probably can't hear me. So I'm gonna try to be loud so you guys can hear me too.
Has a built block.
Thing is lit. Y'all, this is the homie right here. He's getting my exhaust done, so y'all be sure to check out this shop if y'all watch the channel, you know. I'm about to show you what they're about to do to the exhaust since they cut that Y pipe piece. So this is the Y pipe piece. It was a 3-inch to 2-inch or 1-inch piping, which was delaying all the power and the sound. So right now they cut it, and they're gonna do 3-inch all the way back to the vibrant muffler. So yeah.
How do you want it?
All right, so that's the vibrant muffler. They're gonna continue the 3-inch all the way back to the Top Speed mid, and it should sound insanely nice, but it looks really good. Look at that. I'm about to get a side view for you guys. All right, y'all, so they just finished it up and it looks and sounds so much better. It's quiet, not drony at all. The vibrant muffler did make a big difference. And huge shout out to the homie. He got me in today and got it done. Other shops had me wait 2 months and I wasn't gonna do that. So yeah, he had me in and out. And yeah, be sure to check out his page. I'll probably drop his at right here so y'all can check out his builds and cars. He has some cool, dope cars. Yes, sir. You want to introduce yourself?
This is AB. This is my shop in Irving. Zach's Muffler. Make sure y'all check it out. Put the Instagram right here for it.
Yeah, I'll put it right here for you guys. Yeah, make sure to check them out. They'll get you in and out. They got me in and out, and they got me right.
In and out.
Yes, sir. Hell yeah. All right, so that about wraps up today's video. But I'm gonna post some clips, like night clips of it, and then some sound footage. Other than that, I'll catch our guys when we get back.
Oh, you gonna?
This is gonna be the new shop Instagram picture. Turn it off and turn it back on and rev it. It's not raspy.
YouTube. So we just came back from the shop and I'm just like this because I just came back from the gym. I just did a little quick trip to the gym and back. So now we're gonna film the little night clips. I hope you enjoyed those little parts. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the streets. Alright YouTube, so that about wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, all the little montages, little cinematics, and the flames and all that. But if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, like the video, share it, and turn on post notifications. It literally takes 5 seconds and it helps your boy out, and it shows that you guys are showing a lot of love and support to your boy, and it means a lot. So yeah, go do that right now as you're watching this. And if you're watching the videos and you're still not subscribed, I don't know what you're doing, hit the subscribe button. It means a lot. It truly does. But that's it for today's video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Closing it out. Bye.